Hello and welcome to another Englicious activity 2-minute demo. Let's go straight to the home page and we're looking at a new resource today. The quickest way to find this one is to type guided into the search box, and what we're going to look at today is a primary level year 2 set of guided lessons covering all the grammar topics required for year 2. So this set of guided lessons came about because of a research project we took part in with the Nuffield Foundation, and this was the course that was used as part of that research. We have a handbook which we won't read now, but that goes into lots of detail about the project and about how to teach the lessons. But I'll just give you a quick overview of those lessons. So as you can see on the right hand side in the unit, we have these 10 topics covering all the grammar which is required at year 2. So let's jump straight in. As you might imagine, we're going to look at topics like nouns, and these take a similar form to other lessons that we've seen on Englicious. We have lots of different pictures, explanations of grammar, and the same kind of interactive activities that you'd expect to find, like this drag and drop activity. We can go down to the bottom and see that most of these lessons also come with some paper resources that you can, if you have the time, cut out and have your learners also use. Going on to the next lesson, this covers adjectives and noun phrases, and in the top right hand corner, as always, you can click the whiteboard button and then project this up as slides using an interactive whiteboard or projector. And as you can see, to teach about adjectives and expanded noun phrases, we're looking at pictures, describing these cartoons, more drag and drop activities to work out the criteria of what makes an adjective, what it can and can't do. And we're also with a focus on writing and production and having the learners be creative and do their own writing, but bearing in mind that the grammar and language that they're using to achieve the particular effect. So that's a full 10 lesson guided course for year 2 primary, all to access for free on Englicious.org.